my channel. I'm Nicole, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family and turn on the post notifications so that you guys can be notified when I post my next video. I'm going to be doing a spring makeup tutorial. It's going to be on this look I'm wearing right here. Soft and fresh and rosy looking for spring. And this is the look that I think looks so flattering on so many people, and especially in the springtime or summertime. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and what products I used to get it and this highlight, go ahead and keep on watching. So first, I already moisturized my face using the Tatcha water cream, and I also sprayed the Bedescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer and setting spray and go ahead and prime my face with that. You kind of want to let it, soak into your skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in starting with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer. So this gives you like a light infusing primer with a little bit of glow. I will put this on my skin, and I do this because it'll give you radiance to your skin underneath your foundation, but I'm still going to be applying a full coverage foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline SuperStay foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and this foundation is definitely full coverage, so I'll still get the coverage that I want, but I'll still have the luminosity of my skin a little peeping through, She definitely is giving me coverage. So the foundation is definitely super full coverage, and it was definitely really easy to blend, and I recommend this foundation if you're looking for a full coverage drugstore foundation. The Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation is an excellent choice. Yeah, so you can still see little luminosity and almost natural skin-like to my skin, but it's still giving me the coverage that I want, which is the look that I want to go for spring. Now I'm just going to conceal my eyes. Still want the look to appear like I'm wearing very minimal makeup, so I'm only going to conceal slightly under the eye. And then right after I conceal, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 10 and only set under part of my eye. So after concealer, I usually like to bronze up my face a little. But recently, I started to apply a little bit of highlight first to my face and then go in with bronzer because I felt like it blended together better. So really quick, I'm just going to take this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Radiant Lights. Then I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is the best bronzer in my opinion at the drugstore. And this is in the shade Bronzer. I also have light bronzer, and I love it. The consistency is so buttery, and using my Eco Tools brush that you could get at Walgreens or Walmart, I'm going to just bronze up my cheeks. So you can see that applying the highlight first made it super blendable to do the bronzer, and then once I go in with my final extra glam super intense highlight, I already have almost I traced out where my cheekbones are so that it looks very melted into the face. Next, this is key to my favorite type of spring look. I'm going to be taking Wet n Wild's Color Icon blushes in the shade Pearlescent Pink, and I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I love to go a little extra on the blush during springtime. I'm going to take Luminoso Milani's Baked Blush and put it on top of Pearlescent Pink. And next, I'm just going to spray my Morphe sponge with a little bit of Bedescu and kind of just blend in all of these products together just to give it a fresh type of look. And now I do eyeshadow. So I'm just going to use this custom palette that I have from Tarte that I placed Makeup Geek shadows in. So I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush and dip it into the shade right here and apply that into my crease. After I take this shade all into my crease, I also take it and kind of just dust it lightly, just a little lighter, all over my eye, but mainly focusing most of the pigment in my crease. So I got a new puppy, and she looks like a little remote controlled dog, toy type of thing that looks just like that. She's black and white and she has spots. and she's sleeping right now, like on my bed, and like she's sleeping like just like flat out, just like all sprawled out. Next, I'm going to be using the Kylie Peach palette, and I'm going to take this peachy shade right here and put it just all over my lid.
No, the lid. 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 The lid.
So now our eyes are done. So I'm gonna do my lashes and liner now, and I'll be right back. Look it! This is my new baby Patches. You look so squished. So this is Patches. She is a Shih Tzu poodle, and she's very tiny, and she's super cute. She loves to cuddle and sleep, and she's super tiny. Love Patches. Okay, say bye. So now my lashes and liner are on, and last I'm going to apply the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. If you don't have the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighters in your life, you are going to be transformed. And last, I'm just going to apply this Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the shade Naked. So that's it for this spring makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys pick up some tips and some tricks on how to achieve this spring look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your notifications so that you can be notified when I post my next video. And give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to leave some comments down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
She is adorable.